Welcome to PassionFuze. This is a demo of what you're going to find inside PassionFuze. Now this is the front end where you basically have all these modules that you're going to go through, which are step-by-step training showing you exactly how I've been able to achieve passive income from my own passions online. I'm going to show you and unlock the ideas of what you can create online and make money from them, but also on a monthly basis, building you a sustainable income online. Okay, so once inside, you're going to be able to get started by going through the different modules that I have set up for you inside the members area. Now this is one of the areas where I'm going to explain what PassionFuze is all about. I'm taking you through on what you'll expect inside the area, and once you complete it, you can go ahead and click on the mark as complete, and then you can click on the next, and then this will take you to the next module, video, etc. Okay, so this is how you'll be getting access inside PassionFuze membership area. Thank you, and I'll talk to you inside.